Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In the last video, we learned how to delete nodes from a linked list. Now, in this video, we learn how to traverse and search element in a linked list. Basically, traversal means going through each node one by one, and searching means finding whether a particular value exists or not. These two operations are super important because without them, we cannot even see or find data inside our linked list. So let's understand what traversal means. Traversal simply means visiting every node one by one, starting from the head and going till the end, which is when next become null. It is commonly used when we want to print all nodes or count how many nodes are present, or maybe process each element for some logic. The basic steps are real simple. Start from the end and head and print the current dot data and move current is equal to current dot next until the it becomes null. So that's it. This is what traversal is. So let's move to VS Code and write the code. So here we have class node and a linked list with insert at the end position. So I have to write the traverse method. So let current is equal to this dot head and while current is equal to, and we have to write the console.log current dot value the data, and we have to update this current also current dot next. So that's simple. So here we write start with the current is equal to this dot head and this then as long as current is not null, we print the data using the console.log current dot data, and then move to the next node by using the updating the current by current dot next, and this loop continue until we reach the end of the list, that is when current becomes null. If I run this node 13, I get 10, 20 and 30 here. And next one is the searching in linked list. So now traversal then searching basically means checking if a particular value exists or not. Since linked list does not have index like array, we cannot directly jump to an element, so we use linear search for this, where we check each node one by one until we find the value. If we find it, we return its position, the index. If not, we just print not found. So let's write the code for searching now. So here I get a value as the value. So let current is equal to this dot head, means we just copy this linked list into the current, and let index is equal to 0, and we traverse until the current becomes null. If current dot data value is equal to value, we write console.log and value found at wait console.log value found at position index, and we have to return immediately, else we have to update the current dot next and index plus plus, else if means after the complete loop if value is not found, so we have to write the value not found in this list, value not found in the list. So if I run this, if I search the 20 and 40 in this list, let's run this code. I get 20 found at the position 1, yes, and 40 not found in this list, yes, there is no 40. So here I start from the head and also keep a counter called the index, and for every node I check if the current node data is the matches the given value or not. If yes, I print the message with the its position and return it. Otherwise, I move to the next node and increase the index. If the loop and we do not find the value, we simply print the value is not found. So this is a simple searching operation in the linked list. And the key, let's quickly summarize everything we learned. Traversal has time complexities of big of n because we visit each node once, and searching also takes big of n time. Same reason linear checking, and both are simple but can be slow for large lists. And these two operations from the base for future topics like reversing or sorting in a linked list. So that's all for today's video. We learn how to traverse and search element in a linked list and using JavaScript. In the next video, we will take this one step further and learn how to reverse a linked list, which is very common interview question too. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to JD Codebase for more short and practical DSA tutorials in JavaScript. See you in the next one.